Hi, I'm Michelle Strong, a realtor in the Greater Nashville area. I specialize in helping homeowners downsize with a white glove approach. Today I'm sharing 6 communities that many 55 plus buyers are paying close attention to around the Greater Nashville area. Some are true 55 plus and some are not, but they all fit someone that wants that low maintenance lifestyle living. So let's dive right in on those. Because downsizing isn't not just about buying a smaller home, it's also about choosing the right lifestyle. The number one is Del Webb Providence in Mount Juliet. Del Webb in Mount Juliet is one of the best known 55 plus communities in the Middle Tennessee area. It's an established gated community for active adults. Buyers are often drawn to the clubhouse, the fitness center, indoor and outdoor pools, walking areas, club activities, and lake settings that Mount Juliet offers. You have shopping, you have restaurants close by, medical care, Providence marketplaces close by, and it's convenient to the airport. So, for someone who wants the community amenities, Del Webb in Mount Juliet might be your place. Number two is Del Webb in Southern Harmony. This location is in Murfreesboro. It comes in number two because it's still a Del Webb community if you want one, but it's in the Rutherford County area. It brings the Del Webb lifestyle to Murfreesboro that offers the same single level living, and also it offers 2 pools. You have one indoor pool, one outdoor pool. It's one of the newer Del Webb communities that the area has. You still have all access to medical care facilities, shopping, restaurants. So the Southern Harmony location is definitely one to consider. Number three is the Courtyards at Franklin Road in Murfreesboro. This one appeals to a different type of downsizer. It's more intimate. It is for active adults, but it's not considered a 55 plus community. It's more of a boutique type style single level plans. It's still, you have your private courtyards, but it also is going to have a fire pit and a very, very intimate small subdivision is what you'll find with this one. It has all the conveniences that Murfreesboro offers as far as medical care and restaurants and all of the other things that we spoke about with the other Murfreesboro location. Number four is Del Webb Southern Springs in Spring Hill. Boy, that's a tongue tire. This is another Del Webb community that many 55 plus buyers pay attention to. It appeals to people who want newer construction amenities and they still want access to Williamson County and to Maury County as well. Spring Hill is become popular for buyers. It's near Franklin, it's near Cool Springs and Columbia, and it's great for downsizers who want an active adult lifestyle. It's south of Franklin. Southern Springs is worth considering. Number five is Lenox Place in Gallatin. Lenox Place in Gallatin is a place that it is a true 55 plus community that offers low maintenance lifestyle. Gallatin continues to appeal to those who like access to Old Hickory Lake. It still has your shopping, your restaurants. It's slower paced and it's not that far from Nashville, very close to Hendersonville. And so this would be a great option if you're looking on a different side of town than the others that we spoke about. Number six, Tollgate Village and Thompson Station. Thompson Station comes in at number six. It is close to Franklin. It's not a 55 plus community, but it has all of the amenities that you would like to. It's not age restricted, but you are close to Franklin, Spring Hill, you're close to Thompson Station. There are townhomes, condos, single family homes in the area. and that would be a great option for you, as well as Tollgate Village. And it's great for those that want to downsize, but you still want all the conveniences of being in the Williamson County area. The big takeaway here is that downsizing is not about one size fits all. Some buyers want a true 55 plus community with activities, amenities. Some want just one level living. Some want less yard work. Some want to be closer to grandkids, doctors, church, shopping, or restaurants. And some simply want to free up equity and make life easier. The right community depends on your current home, your equity, your budget, your timing, and the lifestyle you want next. I'm Michelle Strong, and I have a white glove approach to helping people downsize in the Middle Tennessee area. That means I can help you understand how your current home value is, help you with all the prep work, talk you through what's the right fit for you. Is it a 55 plus community, or is it just downsizing? If you'd like to talk further about how to simplify your life and do it in a way where you're not overwhelmed, I'd love to talk to you. Thanks for watching. Bye now.